Hello friends! Today we're going to make pumpkin parfait. It has only 3 ingredients and it is a yummy, healthy option for a dessert served for the holidays. Let's get started! Let's take a look at the recipe. Before we start, we need to make sure our work area and hands are clean. And don't forget to wash your hands for 20 seconds. To make pumpkin parfait for one person, we need half a cup of low-fat vanilla yogurt, 1 tablespoon of canned pumpkin, quarter teaspoon pumpkin pie spice. We also need a medium-sized cup or a small bowl and a spoon. Mix half a cup low-fat vanilla yogurt with 1 tablespoon canned pumpkin and quarter of a teaspoon pumpkin pie spice all together. After that, either serve it immediately or refrigerate. This parfait works for a dessert, breakfast, or even a snack. Enjoy!